1. Use a steamer to kill bed bugs immediately, as high heat will eliminate them, but it only works on visible bugs. 2. Vacuum your mattress and bed thoroughly, and place bedding in sealed bags to prevent bugs from spreading. 3. Choose a mattress encasement specifically designed to block bed bugs and strong enough to resist tearing. 4. Fully cover both the mattress and box springs, and keep them sealed for about a year to ensure any trapped bugs die. 5. Replace the encasement immediately if it tears, as bed bugs can pass through tiny openings. 6. Wash all bedding in hot water and dry it on a high heat setting to kill bugs and their eggs. 7. Put clothes in sealed black bags and leave them in the sun so the heat can kill any bed bugs inside. 8. Keep your room clean and uncluttered to reduce hiding places for bed bugs. 9. Vacuum the entire room, especially cracks and corners, and dispose of the vacuum contents outside right away. 10. Place bed bug interceptors under the legs of your bed to stop them from climbing up. 11. Move your bed away from walls and furniture to prevent bed bugs from reaching it.